Hey everybody, it's your girl Shayna J here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have this really gorgeous like brown, chocolate brown wavy hair in my head. So if you guys want to see how I got this color and if you guys want to see what hair this is, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey everybody, so this is Allove's deep wave hair in its original form. I do have a video on this hair already, so I will leave that down in the description box. I've had this hair for about maybe 5 months, probably a little bit longer than that now. And this hair held up really great. Everything about this hair was awesome. It's just that I was getting a little bored, and I noticed that I didn't wear it as much because I don't know, I just don't really wear long curly hair that much in the winter time. So I was like, okay, well, let me go ahead and maybe add some like color in it, and that'll give me more incentive to wear it more. So first, what we're gonna do is start to section our hair. So right now I'm gonna take 2 small pieces, like 1 from each side, and I'm going to section that part off so that I can separate it. So you're just gonna section off the piece in the front that you want, I guess like a bold highlight, and I'm just gonna separate that from the rest of the hair. And this segment is pretty much going to be me just, you know, separating the hair and getting it ready to actually apply the bleach. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this part play. Again, I'm just separating the hair into sections. Altogether, I believe there are about 7 sections. So I have the 1 section in the very front with the 2 pieces, and then I have 2 pieces on the side that I'm going to section off, and then I section the back into 4 more pieces. So that's 7 pieces altogether. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let this part play. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box if I didn't get a chance to answer them in this video. But yeah, I will come back when I have some more commentary. Okay guys, so the bleach that I'm using is the quick blue bleach. I know that right now that I was showing the BW2 bowl, but it's just because I needed something bigger to mix my bleach in. So yeah, I am using the BW2 bleach and some 30 volume developer. Usually you guys know I am a 40 volume developer girl, but I didn't want to damage the hair or the curl pattern or make it frizzy or fry it, so I decided to go with 30 volume developer, and I actually used the entire bottle of developer and the entire bag of bleach that was left. I want to say it was maybe a little bit less than half of the container. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is I'm starting from the bottom. So I wanted the tips to be lighter than the rest of the hair. So I went ahead and I added the bleach to the very tips of the hair. In hindsight, I should have added the bleach to the two front sections first, so that could be the lightest. But knowing me and the way I bleach hair, it does take me a little while. I did actually go through this process a little bit quicker than I normally do, but I didn't want to fry the hair, so I was scared. And you know how usually closures and frontals, those parts of the hair when coloring are a little bit more, I guess, prone to drying out or losing its texture, especially in curlier hair. So I didn't want to fry the hair, so I didn't add the bleach to those that very front section first, because I knew that would be on it the longest. So what I did instead was I added the bleach to the tips of the hair first, to the ends of the hair first, because I wanted it lightest, and then I went ahead and bleached the front. So even though the front is lighter, the ends, I'll show you you know, when I post the end result, but the ends are lighter than the actual two strips. So I am thinking about going in and adding more highlights, like making it a little bit lighter in some areas and using 40 volume developer instead. So yeah guys, let me know down in the description box if you think I should leave the hair as is, or if I should go in and add a couple of more like brighter highlights. But for now, you know, it's fine. I really like the chocolate subtlety of it. I don't normally wear any type of colored hairs. I mean, not any type of colored hair. You guys know I wear colored hair all the time, but I mean like colored curly hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to bleach the rest of this hair, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the voiceover section. I'm gonna just let this play through so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Guys, as you can see, this is how the hair turned out. I am absolutely in love. I was thinking about going in and maybe putting a little bit more highlights in it, but maybe not, I don't know. But this is Allove's deep wave hair. I have in 226 inches. I'm not gonna show you all the way down because I have like a bodysuit, so my thighs is out or whatever. But I have 226 inches, a 24, a 22, and a 20-inch frontal 13 by 4, sorry, frontal, lace frontal. This is how the hair came out. As you can see, it's a brown color up top, and then it gets a little bit lighter, just a little bit lighter towards the end. I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely perfect for the fall, winter months that are here right now. As you can see, I have a turtleneck on, so yeah. And guys, this is the entire look. Also, I'm not sure if you can notice, but I did something different with my brows today. I did try the soap brow method, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I don't know if you guys can notice a difference, but in person they just look so much more like like they look so, oh my god, like they look fire. Like they're just really feathery, and I like that they don't feel, you know, crazy. I just really, I don't know, you know, like, because I've always wanted that kind of full fluffy look because my natural lashes are, you know, really full. Thanks, Dad. You know, thanks, Poppy, for that. But yeah, my natural lashes are I mean, my natural brows are really full, so I've been trying to find a way to kind of bring out that fullness without it looking bushy, I guess, or kind of just out of place. And this soap brow method, like, can y'all, like, y'all, seriously, can we get into that, bitch? I mean, are y'all seeing this? Like, really? Are y'all? I don't know. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how, I'm actually still perfecting the soap brow method. So once I get it down to a science, I will share it. The only thing that I think I need to tweeze is how much soap I put on, and that's pretty much it. But y'all, like, I really like the soap brow method. But anyway, about this hair is super bomb. It's still lasting me really long. I do have an update on the Allove straight hair coming up, so stay tuned for that. A lot of people have been asking me about that hair, and they have not realized that that's the same hair that I've had for a couple of months. So is this hair. This hair, I believe, is like 5 months old, maybe 6 months old, and I just decided to bleach it, and this is how it came out. I did not want to leave the bleach on the hair for a super long time because I didn't want to ruin the curl pattern. And yeah, I really like this hair, you guys. So if you like this video, please thumbs up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next video, I will catch you guys later. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and leave me a comment on what you guys want to see me do next. I'm trying to be really consistent with my channel as far as content goes, and I want to make sure that you guys are you know, receiving what you want in a channel. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, I will catch you guys later. Bye.